So what would be your transformation? Do you have a reflection? No. So no reflection. It's a vertical stretch or a vertical compression? Vertical compression. And that's the only thing I have to say. Okay? Now, we learned that with the vertical compression and the vertical stretch only, my vertex does not change. What's my vertex? 0, 0. Now, this is not part of the transformation. That's why I'm writing it outside. This is just for me to know how to graph. Okay? So the vertex is 0, 0. What's my step pattern? It's A times 1, 3, 5. Don't forget that A. What's my A value? 0.25. So let's multiply 0.25 by 1, by 3, and by 5. What's 0.25 times 1? Times. I'm multiplying. So 0.25 times 1 is 0.25. What's 3 times 0.25? What's 5 times 0.25? 1.25. Yeah, that makes sense. So that tells me that I have to go up by how much? 0.25 and over 1, right? Then I have to go up by 0.75 and over 1. Then I have to go up by 1.25 and over 1. So I want your attention on the board for a second. So when it comes to my scale, what do you think I should pick on my y scale? Should I go up by 1s? Should I go up by 2s? Should I go up by 0.25? Should I go up by 0.5? 0.25. It makes sense to pick my scale up to my, the perfect points that I might have. Okay? So because I'm going to go up by 0.25 for the first one, I'm going to pick my scale to be 0.25. Okay? So this is what it means. It means that this is going to be 0.25. This is going to be 0.5, 0.75, 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. Okay? My x scale is not going to change. It's going to go by 1. Where's my vertex? What am I going to go up by? 0.25 and 1 to the either both sides, yeah? So next point, how much do I need to go up by? 0.75, right? So if I'm going to go up 0.75 from 0.25, where would I land? 1, right? So that's 0.25, 0.50, 0.75. So I'm going to land at 1, and then I'm going to move 1 to the sides. And then how much am I going to have to go up by for the next one? 1.25. So where am I going to land? 2.25. I don't have that on my graph, right? Because 1 plus 1.25, that's 2.25. So I don't have that on my graph, so I can stop right there and then just do this. If I'm going to graph the original function, don't graph this, but I'm going to show you something. If my original function, I'm going to graph it. this is my original function. Okay? You see that the blue function is wider, right? But because I changed my scale, it doesn't show you much.